Hi, I'm Dr. Broussard with the Wagon Train Veterinary Clinic, and in today's segment we're going to discuss wellness exams in dogs. My assistant Lacey and I have put together a list of commonly asked questions that we're going to run through to hopefully give you a better example or a better understanding anyway of the importance of wellness exams in dogs. Lacey?
Dr. Broussard, what is involved in a dog wellness exam?
Well, first off, a dog wellness exam, I could leave wellness out of it because to me an examination is where you literally look from the tip of the nose to the tip of the tail and check every single thing on a dog. I typically try to start at the front and work my way back so I don't miss anything, but we are literally checking the quality of the teeth, the gum color, the eyes, the ears, the skin, the lymph nodes, the heart, the lungs, on and on and on until we have literally put our hands on every single part of that dog, listened to it, looked in the ears, looked in the eyes. So it is a complete and comprehensive physical exam.
How soon should I bring my pet in to see the doctor for a wellness exam?
Well, examinations in general will start at a very young age. So let me put it this way. So we normally get puppies in at about 6 to 7 weeks old for their first exam. You could argue, is that a wellness exam? Well, yeah, because most 6 or 7 week old puppies are not coming in because they're sick. So we're doing a wellness exam to make sure that we're starting off on the right foot. We will see that animal periodically every month or so for booster vaccines, but we don't always do an exam on every single visit. So what most people think or I guess envision when we say wellness exam is that annual exam. So when they come in for their annual vaccines every year, that's typically when we do a good comprehensive examination on each one of those visits.
How do dog wellness visits impact the longevity of my pet's life?
Well, in general, it's the key to increasing the dog's longevity is early detection of anything. Okay, so if we're doing these wellness exams, a lot of people will be like, well, he's fine, he's had no issues here. But maybe as a veterinarian, like we see these things all the time. Maybe as a veterinarian, we pick up on a chronic ear problem, or maybe not even chronic ear problem, but we pick on an ear problem that the owner wouldn't have known. Maybe it's something more significant than that. Maybe in the course of that exam, we do, a urinalysis, and we find out that dog's not concentrating their urine, so then we have to dig a little bit more and find out that, wait a minute, he's not concentrating his urine because his kidneys are not really functioning properly. Those kind of things. Sometimes starting with an absolute basic physical exam can key you into a much more significant diagnosis or systemic problem that's going on. And like so many other things in life, we've all heard the expression, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. If you can prevent those diseases from progressing quickly, or maybe even stop them in their tracks because you detected them early, you're going to have a much better prognosis in the long run.
How do dog wellness exams influence subsequent treatment?
Well, I think refer back to that previous answer that I covered a lot of those things there, but how they would affect subsequent treatment in my mind is because let's say that example I just used, maybe you do uncover a dog that has kidney disease. Well, how often are you going to need to see that dog? I might want to do repeat examinations every 2 or 3 months. Maybe I want to repeat blood work or urinalysis every 2 or 3 months. Well, that's a prime example of how doing a wellness exam, detecting something early, is going to affect subsequent visits down the road. So, okay. Well, guys, hopefully that helps a little bit to clear up some of these things. I appreciate you tuning in. If you have any questions about any of this, you can reach out to us. You can come on by the office or call us, reach out on Facebook, any one of those new futuristic modalities you can catch us. But I appreciate you tuning in, and we'll talk soon.